Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start with a warm welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros filled with Dulce De Leche. First, let's prepare our churro dough. You'll need to combine water, butter, sugar, and salt in a saucepan, bringing it to a boil. Then, quickly stir in the flour to form a dough ball, and finally, beat in 2 eggs until the mixture is perfectly smooth and ready for piping. Now that our dough is ready, it's time for the exciting part. Frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe your churro dough into the hot oil, creating lengths of about 4 to 6 inches. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture. With your churros perfectly fried, let's move on to the irresistible filling. First, ensure your churros have cooled down a bit, making them easier to handle. Warm your Dulce De Leche slightly so it flows smoothly. Using a small, plain piping tip, gently insert it into one end of each churro and squeeze until you feel it's adequately filled with that sweet, creamy goodness. The final step is to give our churros their classic sweet coating. In a shallow dish, mix together 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. While your filled churros are still warm, roll them generously in this fragrant cinnamon sugar mixture until they are completely coated. Serve these delightful treats immediately to enjoy their warm, crispy, and creamy perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.